It is super friggin' windy today. Super windy, bro. I am not making fun of this lady, okay? But she walks past me every single day. I see her walking down the street every single day, and I never know where she's going or where she's coming from. It's 11:44. Gotta be at work at 2, going in an extra hour early because we gotta do some stuff. Just gonna waste time watching YouTube, I guess. I don't know. I'm about to leave for work, but I want to show you what we're doing to the backyard because we're putting in fake grass because it's annoying to cut, I guess. I don't know why we're doing it. But they had a gentleman here move all the stuff, and now we just took up all the dirt, and now we're gonna put some fake grass and stuff. So stuff's going on back here today. Time to go to work. Going to get lunch. It's like 5 o'clock, so I guess kind of like dinner. But the owner dropped her toilet. The owner dropped her phone in the toilet. Oh, that's funny. Saturday at 10:20, out of work. No plans. No one hit me up, so I'm heading home. It's not even really late, but like, I feel like I've literally gotten home and just have been scrolling through the internet, not watching anything. I've watched a few things, but like I just feel like I've been scrolling and like trying to watch a movie, but I can't pick a movie. Watched all the videos I want to watch or gonna watch. Like I don't know. I don't want to, like, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I should just go to bed.